Here at MetalCraft Engineering and the glass racking company, we've got 18 staff here in Christchurch. We service the glass industry through the glass racking company, doing frails on the sides of vans or utes, glass trucks to carry the large amounts around the country, the trolleys to go in the trucks, racking systems, workshop gear for storing your glass and moving it around in a factory. And on the engineering side of it, we do architectural engineering, build trailers. We also do bike racking systems, we do balustrading, handrails, some light structural, and yeah, anything else that comes in the door. Before the Tecmen respirator units that we've got now, we were using basic either half mask or full mask respirator units, just with the two filters and some normal cloth dust masks, which yeah, the guys were not terribly impressed with. So yeah, the Tecmen stuff with the powered air has definitely helped the guys with keeping the dust out.
Hey, I'm Eden War, working here at MetalCraft Engineering. With me here I've got my TM1000 welding and grinding helmet and my G10 painting helmet, both airflow filtered just to protect your lungs. Yeah, it just keeps you safe.
We found the Tecmen units were NZ standards compliant. We already had a relationship with Euromarc, so communication and spare parts were all readily available. They have the nice true colour welding helmet lens. The price was very good and the quality is excellent. Yeah, the price being significantly lower than the competition. Then the first couple we got, the guys were very impressed with, so we got 6 more.
Here we work with a lot of galvanised steel, which is not so good for the lungs. These have made a huge difference, like feeling when you get home, you got nice clean lungs, nothing up your nose. And with the G10, it's really handy with the glasses. Don't have to wear a half mask and have the glasses all painted up and everything. Also flicks up, which is real handy. And with the welding helmet, I don't have to wear safety glasses and stuff. I can just flick this up and do all my grinding. Love the removable hood on the welding helmet. It's nice and comfortable and you can just un-velcro it and just wash it whenever you need. I also like how easy it is to take all the clips off and they last ages.
It's very easy to switch between the welding helmet and the G10. It's just a hose and away you go.
The batteries on these things last about 2 full days before you start needing to charge them. They charge within half an hour, so you can do it at a lunchtime. Quite compact and yeah, awesome.
With our annual health testing, we've got objective evidence since using the Tecmen PAPR of increased lung function in several staff members and general better well-being overall.
Yes, I would definitely recommend these to other fabricators and engineers. The filters are great, they filter out all the nasties. They fit nicely, very easy to use and very clear. Yeah, love them, they're really good, really good.